Okay, I'm at Georgetown near Cimarron Hills. We got a pool just completed. This is a 36 by, let's see, a 36 by 18 geometric pool with some laminars. We've got a little seating area in here. They've got a table that can be moved in and out. That's a Color Logic bubbler. You've got a perimeter overflow on the spa. The color in this pool is Cody Gray. They just really killed the colors here. Everything looks really nice. Kind of a gray theme for sure, but those laminars are sure tight. And there's some wind out right now, so they're still holding together. Perimeter overflow, they got the Infloor cleaning system. They got some glass tile for the perimeter overflow, which looks really pretty. I'm gonna get some night shots and put it on my... They have lights also in the basin here, Color Logic basin. But that's all we got, and this really handy job they did on the skimmer lids, and they've got an autofill. Everything turned out really well. I'm going to show you the pool equipment real quick. It's got a dual heater. It's got a heat pump and a gas heater. This has got UV, cyclone. Those are the Infloor catch basins, but that's all for now.